now what is happening, very close development taking place between the Acholi people and one of the tribes from West Nile, tribe of Amin, that is Kakwa, and Acholi, which is a tribe of the late Janani Luwum, who was killed by Luwum. What's happening is Right Reverend Professor Alfred Olwa, who is the Bishop of Lango Diocese, is going to lead a delegation of about 300 Anglican Church Christians from Acholi and Lango sub-region to meet the clan of former President Amin in Koboko. The meeting is aimed at reawakening the reconciliation process, which started way back in the year 2019. We must remember it was initiated by the Kakwa clan with the Acholi community over the Amin killing of Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, Saint Janani Luwum, which is said to be ordered by Amin. Luwum was murdered on February the 16th in 1977 together with two cabinet ministers, Wilson Erenayo Oriema, who is the father to the late Geoffrey Oriema, an Acholi music international known, worldwide known music legend, that is Geoffrey Oriema, and Charles Oboth Ofumbi. During the regime of Uganda former President Idi, in the year 2019, the two sides met and denounced hatred and embraced unity as well as harmonious living forever. It is anticipated that a team of 150 Christians comprising cultural leaders, civil society organizations, as well as political and religious leaders from Lango sub-region will join 130 counterparts from the Diocese of Kitgum and Northern Uganda and assemble for the engagement at Nyangalia Secondary School playground in Koboko municipality from February the 12th of April to Sunday the 14th of April, when a reconciliation prayer shall be held. Let me not pronounce prayer like Banyankole. Now, I think this is quite a very good move in the right direction. Calling for reconciliation, both sides need to admit that was done by those, was done on that. Now we were left. Will we make Africa continue to suffer because of what was in the past, a once man's interest? I think a big appreciation to people of Kakwa for initiating this. Any political leader who caused disunity, either directly or indirectly, is a disgrace to Africa. And until Uganda and Africa overcome the stupidity of tribalism, the stupidity of religious difference, the stupidity and ignorance of nepotism, until we can overcome, we will not get liberation. We will not get liberated. I don't mean the political liberation as some people love it. The humanity, freedom from mental slavery, freedom from thinking that it is only your tribe or clan which should be associated with or which should have a better life. We as Africans need to unite and focus at peaceful coexist, no matter your religion or what. Those who are Muslim, Christian, damn of the right mind, 7 days Adventists, born again, the Buddhist, the Orthodox, the African traditionalists, all those factors of religion doesn't matter. Come together, stay in peace, or perish with religious, traditional, or cultural stupidities. Your belief, your culture, or what doesn't matter. Stick to your culture, love your religion, but don't let it override another person's faith or belief. Thank you, and I wish you a very nice time.